Let everyone come. We'll start with the class then, okay?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Kumar Parth. Class, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Bache. We are six in the meeting. Let others come. By that time, let me share the screen and we are going to revise. Let me see how many classes do we have before Saturday? We have a class today and tomorrow, day after tomorrow, right? Class, we'll be
Yes,
revising. We'll be revising history chapter for the exams, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine.
Ma'am.
You take 5 minutes to go through the chapter for history, and I'll be sharing the screen over here. There are some questions. You will be answering one by one all those questions, right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Fine, fine.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Bolo beta Parth.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, those who are giving online test, ma'am, for those, ma'am, on the time of ma'am UT, ma'am, they will have regular classes.
Beta, no instructions we have received as of now. So whatever will be there, you will be informed prior. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
fine.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Tanishka.
Ma'am, in second question, what is written after of, ma'am, Indian Society of?
अरे this is the बाद में पढ़ना ही है, अभी मत करो, revise. When we'll discuss this, we'll do that. Okay, I'll tell you.
Okay, ma'am.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम।
गुड मॉर्निंग अदनान, कैसे हैं बेटा आप?
फाइन मैम।
Excuse me, ma'am.
Just a minute.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ बोलिए बच्चे।
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I want to ask that, ma'am, ma'am, when there are kings and ma'am, they have more than one, ma'am, they
Queen.
have more than one wife. So, ma'am, so there are wife. So, ma'am, they don't have any problem if they, the king have more than one wife.
No, maybe actually they had so many wives, no, and all the queens were given all the facilities. Maybe that is why they didn't had any problem.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. Okay, shall we start now?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So before we start, let me take your attendance.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ. Today is 21st, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We have, do we have Adnan in the class?
प्रेजेंट मैम।
Anushka Gupta? Aryan Gupta? Aryan Patel, Ayush Bhardwaj, Bhavya Dikshit, Daksh, Rishabh?
Present, ma'am.
Then we have Kumar Parth.
Present, ma'am.
Then we have Kushagra Singh Gautam.
Present, ma'am.
We have Kushagra Singh in the class. Do we have Kushagra? No. Then we have Siddhi. Siddhi, are you there? Tanishka?
Yes, ma'am.
Tanishka?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We have Kushagra Singh as well in the class. And Yashraj Raghuvanshi also. Yashraj Raghuvanshi and Kushagra Singh.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So all those who are there in the meeting, they will be answering these questions one by one, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. So we have Adnan. Adnan बेटा ये क्वेश्चन पढ़िए फर्स्ट वाला और इसका आंसर दीजिए बच्चे. Adnan?
यस मैम।
हाँ, read the question.
Which ideas inspired British administrator to take up the
of
challenges
reform.
of
Hmm.
reforming the Indian society.
आंसर बताओ इसका. Adnan, do you know the answer?
No, ma'am.
Next in the row. Rishabh.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Answer.
same question.
Same question.
Okay, ma'am. Which ideas inspired British administration to take up the challenges for reforming the Indian society?
बेटा ये
Ma'am, the answer is
एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर्स है. ऋषभ ये एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर्स है. ठीक है.
okay, ma'am.
हाँ.
Ma'am, the answer is ma'am, socio-religious reforms.
सोशियो रिलीजियस रिफॉर्म्स. ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
बट वो रिफॉर्म्स नहीं पूछ रहा है, वो आइडियाज पूछ रहा है बेटा. कौन से आइडियाज ने इंस्पायर करा उनको?
Can I?
यस तनिष्का. सिद्धि और
Ma'am,
तनिष्का.
rationalism, humanism, and liberalism.
हाँ, rationalism, humanism, liberalism. These ideas inspired British administrators to take up the challenges of reforming the Indian society. Very good. Rishabh, your next question. What had gripped Indian society of the 19th century?
Ma'am,
Tell. What had gripped Indian society of the 19th century?
ma'am, the Indian society of the 19th century
Was
was in the grip of
Huh?
ma'am, several social and religious evils.
Very good. Next we have Parth. No, we have Parth. Parth, read out the question, third one.
Okay, ma'am. Which system caused much of misery?
Misery.
Ma'am, it is
Misery
misery for the
lower sections of the.
misery for the lower section of the society. Ma'am,
अच्छा,
lower
बताओ.
section of the ma'am, just a minute.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Rishabh.
Ma'am, caste system.
Very good. Caste system caused much of misery for the lower sections of the.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ji Rishabh, Ji Parth.
Ma'am, actually, I was thinking caste system only, but I think, ma'am, it is from ma'am socio-religious reformers.
No.
So, ma'am.
नहीं तो लोअर सेक्शंस में क्या था? आप पढ़ो, ये देखो ना.
Ma'am, caste system. Yes, ma'am.
चलो, next question you read again, Parth, and tell the answer.
Why the position of women in the society was
deplorable.
Can you tell what?
Deplorable.
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 So,
deplorable. Answer is?
Yes, sir. Ma'am, because for this, I don't know.
Okay. Anybody for this answer?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, of course.
And the position of the woman in the society was deplorable due to the prevalence of practices such as sati, infanticide, porda, devdasi system, etc.
Very good. Next. Next, Kushagra. Kushagra, can you hear me?
Ma'am, his mic is off.
Then Kushagra Singh Gautam. Kushagra Singh Gautam. Parth raised your hand. Yes, Parth, what you will tell the answer?
Yes, ma'am, can I?
Which one? Fifth one?
Yes, ma'am, fifth one. Or ma'am, any other.
चलो बताओ. नहीं, रुको. Let everybody listen. Let everybody finish. Okay, wait.
Yes, ma'am.
We have Siddhi, question number 5.
Ma'am, Raja Ram Mohan Roy.
Question तो पढ़ो बच्चे.
Name a social reformer of Bengal who is usually listed first
among the 19th century reforms? The
Hmm.
answer is Raja Ram Mohan Roy.
Very good. Next, we have Tanishka. Tanishka,
Yes, ma'am.
read sixth question.
Ma'am, who is called the father of modern India? Ma'am, the answer is Ram Mohan Roy.
Very good. Who established Brahmo Samaj? Yash Raj Raghuvanshi.
Ma'am, he is not in the class.
He is not in the class, but he was
Ma'am,
there.
can I tell?
No, no, wait, Tanishka.
Ma'am, now he is left.
He has left.
Yes, ma'am.
Ha, you tell the
Ma'am,
answer.
can I?
Wait, wait,
Ma'am,
wait. Tanishka, who established Brahmo Samaj?
Ma'am, Raja Ram Mohan Roy.
Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Very good. Siddhi, next question.
Who was behind the Sati abolition?
Hmm.
Ma'am, Raja Ram Mohan Roy.
Very good. Next, we have again Parth. It is your turn.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
In which year sati practice was made a punishable offense? Ma'am, 1829.
Beta, is the recording going on?
Yes, ma'am, it is going on.
Yes.
Fine.
ma'am.
Ha. Tell the answer, Parth, for ninth question.
In which year sati practice was made a punishable offense? Ma'am, 1829.
Very good. Next question. Rishabh.
Ma'am, can I?
Rishabh.
okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I?
Rishabh, I said, no? Hmm.
Who was helped by a British Governor General to empire born on Sati. Sati
Impose,
also named the Governor General.
impose ban on sati.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, the answer is Raja Ram Mohan Roy, and ma'am, the name of Governor General is Lord William Bentinck.
Very good. Lord William Bentinck helped Raja Ram Mohan Roy to impose ban on sati. Fine. Next.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good.
Yes,
Adnan, are
ma'am.
you there? Adnan, आप हो बेटा मीटिंग में?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, चलिए अगले सवाल का जवाब दीजिए. हम पढ़े क्वेश्चन. Who tried to bring women into new roles through schools and prayer meetings? Anybody for this answer?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes,
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Parth.
can I?
Yes, Parth.
Ma'am, Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar.
No.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Siddhi.
Ma'am,
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 Keshav
can
Chandra
I?
Sen.
Very good. Keshav Chandra Sen. Very good class. Next, Tanishka. Read the question and
Yes,
answer.
ma'am.
Read the question and answer.
Who carried forward the work of Raja Ram Mohan Roy
To a next
ma'am, what
level.
is the
To a next level.
to a next level, ma'am? Ma'am, the answer is Keshav Chandra Vidyasagar. Ma'am, Keshav Chandra Sen.
Very good. Very good. Next question. Parth, will you read?
no, ma'am, I will do next.
Oh, why? This is not done.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Tanishka.
Who
Read.
championed the cause of female education? Ma'am, the answer is Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar.
Very good. Next, Parth.
Who set up as many as 35 school for girls as an inspector of school? Ma'am, Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar.
Very good. Next, Siddhi.
Who was instrumental in the setting up of the first Indian school for girls in Calcutta in 1849? Ma'am,
Hmm.
Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar.
Very good. Next, Parth.
Yes, ma'am. When was Widow Remarriage Act introduced? Ma'am,
No,
in
no.
1856.
Whose efforts in the field of female education were remarkable and why? Whose efforts? Tanishka, you will try?
Ma'am, Jyotiba Phule.
No. Anybody for this answer? Siddhi, Tanishka,
Ma'am,
Rishabh? Yes, beta.
ma'am, the answer is Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar.
Yes. And why?
Ma'am, because ma'am, his significant contribution by leading the campaign to legalize widow remarriage.
No, no. It is because, see, whose efforts in the field of female education were remarkable and why? They were remarkable because at that time people were prejudiced against the women's education. And he was the one who took initiative to educate women, right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo. Next question. Rishabh, who was instrumental in
Okay, ma'am.
legalizing widow remarriage?
Ma'am, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar.
Very good. Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar was instrumental in legalizing widow remarriage. Next. Sorry. Wait. Huh. Next is, who will read? Siddhi?
Ma'am,
When was the Widow Remarriage Act introduced? Ma'am, in 1856.
1856. Very good. Next. Next, who will tell? Tanishka?
yes, ma'am.
Read out the question. Who personified the best of 19th century? Read, bache. Can you see?
Ma'am, yes.
Read.
Who personified the best of 19th century reforms and demonstrated an untiring will for positive social action? Ma'am, the answer is with Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar.
Very good. Next question. Kushagra Singh Gautam, are you there? Kushagra Singh Gautam, are you there?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ji
Ma'am,
beta.
ma'am, can you tell ma'am what work is done in ma'am Ram Krishna mission?
बेटा ये रामकृष्ण मिशन जो थे ये भी आपका जो है वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट को जो है वो करते थे, आइडल वर्शिपिंग को ये नहीं मानते थे. इन्होंने जो लाइफ के जो आइडियल्स थे कि भाई रिस्पेक्ट, women should be respected in the society, they should be imparted education so that they can take care of themselves even after the death of their husbands, of their husband, and then all these things, these ideals were there in the Ramakrishna mission.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Hanji, read the next question. पढ़ो
Ma'am,
बच्चे.
can I read?
हाँ बिल्कुल. Please tell.
Who was the founder of Ramakrishna mission? Ma'am, the answer is Swami Vivekanand.
Very good. Rishabh, next question.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, which one?
21.
Okay, ma'am. Who worked for the emancipation of women by emphasis of, ma'am, what is this written?
Spiritualism.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, this one, ma'am, the answer is, ma'am,
Swami.
ma'am, we are
Ma'am, can I?
Saringam.
No, Swami Vivekanand.
Oh, okay.
Parth, read the next question.
Okay, ma'am. When was Pratna Samaj established? Ma'am, it was established in ma'am 1867.
1867. Very good.
7.
Very good. Then we have this question. बेटा इसमें आपको बताना है who after the foundation of Pratna Samaj, who supported them and took Pratna Samaj to a next level?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, yes,
Ma'am, can I?
yes. Tanishka, tell.
Ma'am, Mahadev Govind Rane and Ma'am R.G. Bhandarkar.
Very good. R.G. Bhandarkar and Mahadev Govind Ranade. Very good. Next question. Which Parsi
Ma'am?
journal? Yes, Siddhi.
Ma'am, but Atmaram Pandurang founded the Pratna Samaj.
तो हमने क्वेश्चन तो ये तो पूछा ही नहीं आपसे, हु फाउंडेड इट. हमारा क्वेश्चन था आफ्टर द फाउंडेशन ऑफ प्रार्थना समाज हु सपोर्टेड देम. ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ, चलिए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु विल टेल? पार्थ, विल यू?
Okay. Ramji Malabari.
क्वेश्चन तो पढ़ो बेटा.
Okay, ma'am. Which Parsi journalist wrote an evil of child marriage and ma'am, can you tell ma'am where after marriage where
Evils of
I have
child
to
marriage
stop?
and tragedy of forced widowhood. Forced widowhood.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the answer is ma'am Behramji Malabari.
Very good. Fine. Next question for Rishabh. Who was Behramji Malabari?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, Behramji
Yes.
Malabari captured the attention of the English reading public with his articles in the
नहीं
time of the.
नहीं. ऊपर इसका आंसर लिखा हुआ है बेटा. Behramji Malabari was a Parsi journalist.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Fine. Think
Okay, ma'am.
and try to reconnect. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Very good. Who was D.K. Karve? And which solution to which problem was offered by him? Tanishka, will you answer this question? Who was D.K. Karve?
Ma'am, G.K. Karve offered a practical solution with an institution in Pune to educate young widows to become teachers in girls' school.
Beta, your voice is not clear, Tanishka.
Ma'am, can I tell?
No, Tanishka was telling the correct answer, but voice is very blurred.
Ma'am,
Voice.
D.K. Karve
हाँ.
offered a practical solution with his institution in Pune to educate young widows to become teachers in girls' school.
Very good. Or we can say that D.K. Karve was a social reformer who offered a practical solution with his institutions in Pune to educate young widows to become teachers in girls' schools. Right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. हाँ, चलो. Next question. Question number 27.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, yes.
Name an important social reformers of Maharashtra who started a girls' school at Pune. Ma'am, the social reformer is Ma'am Jyotiba Phule, and ma'am, with his wife, he started a ma'am girls' school in Pune.
Very good. Very good. Next question. Who founded the Widow Remarriage Association in 1850?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Ma'am, can I?
Siddhi.
Ma'am, Vishnu Shastri Pandit.
Very good. Vishnu Shastri Pandit formed the Widow Remarriage Association in 1850. Next question. Who was R. Venkata Ratnam Naidu?
No, ma'am, one is left. Who founded Arya Samaj?
Yes, ma'am.
Where is it written?
Ma'am, question number 29.
Oh, sorry. Question
Can
number
I?
29. Question number 29. Yes, Rishabh.
Okay, ma'am. Swami Dayanand founded the Arya Samaj.
Very good. Next, Kumar Parth. 30th question.
Yes, ma'am. Who established Kanya Gurukul for the education of women? Ma'am, Swami Vivekanand.
Swami Vivekanand. Swami Vivekanand?
Yes, ma'am. Swami
नहीं बेटा,
Vivekanand established.
नहीं नहीं,
Sorry, ma'am. Arya.
स्वामी दयानंद बेटा.
Sorry, ma'am.
हाँ.
Ma'am, there is no.
Okay, no
Swami,
problems, no
Swami.
problems. Then
Sorry, ma'am.
who led the Aligarh movement? Siddhi.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan.
Very good. Next, Tanishka. Who worked for the education and emancipation of Muslim women?
Ma'am, Sir Syed Ahmed Khan.
Very good. Next, who was R. Venkata Ratnam Naidu? Rishabh.
Ma'am, can I?
चलो पार्थ बताओ.
Ma'am, he fought against the ma'am Devdasi system.
हाँ. Or you can write R. Venkata Ratnam Naidu was a South Indian social reformer who worked for the who fought against the Devdasi system, right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes,
Next,
ma'am.
who was Veera Salingam Pantulu?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I?
Rishabh.
Okay, ma'am.
Tell.
Veera Salingam Pantulu, ma'am, she worked for remarriage. Ma'am, she tried to increase the opportunity for female education. Ma'am, she opened his first. Ma'am, she opened the first girls' school in 1874, and ma'am, she organized a society for social reforms
हम
in
किसकी बात कर
in
रहे हैं?
1878.
Who was Veera Salingam Pantulu की बात कर रहे हैं हम.
Yes, ma'am.
तो आप
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ.
Yes, ma'am. I want to say that only, ma'am. He was
नहीं बेटा, ये
ma'am,
ऋषभ आप गलत आंसर बता रहे हो. पार्थ आप आंसर बताओ इसका बच्चे.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Veera Salingam Pantulu, ma'am, he worked for widow remarriage also, and ma'am, he opened the first girls' school in 1874, and ma'am, in 1878 also.
ठीक है. So opened, he organized a
Ma'am, I
society.
told the same answer.
No.
But ma'am,
You were saying
but ma'am,
she
he
had
is
opened.
adding ma'am
तो पूरा
she.
change कर दिया.
Oh, ma'am.
चलो, never mind. Who fought against the Devdasi system in South India? Rishabh. Who fought
Ma'am,
against? हाँ.
Ma'am, R. Venkata Ratnam Naidu.
Very good. Next, name a South Indian reformer who worked for widow remarriage. Tanishka.
Ma'am, Veer Salingam Pantulu.
Very good. Siddhi, name a social reformer who was educated in the sacred Sanskrit text by her father.
Ma'am, Pandita Ramabai.
Very good. Next, which women reformer became a widow at a young age? Tanishka.
Ma'am, Pandita Ramabai.
Very good. Name a social reformer whose own experience as a widow led her to work for the upliftment of, for the welfare of widows. Batao.
Pandita Ramabai.
Very good. Next, where is Arya Mahila Samaj located? Huh?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes. Anybody?
Ma'am, Pune.
Pune. Very good. Name the school established for Indian widows in Bombay.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
can
can
I?
I?
Yes.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes.
Sharda Sadan.
Very good. Name some women social reformers.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am,
Yes, Rishabh, tell.
ma'am, Sarojini Naidu, Pandita Ramabai,
Very good.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
ma'am,
बताओ पार्थ. Very good, Rishabh.
Ma'am, Pandita Ramabai, Sarojini Naidu, and ma'am, one we can add more. Ma'am,
Any Besant?
ma'am, wife of Jyotiba Phule.
हाँ.
Ma'am,
का नाम
Savitri
था
Bai Phule.
Savitri Bai Phule. Very
Yes, ma'am,
good.
Savitri Bai Phule.
Very good.
And
very good.
ma'am,
And
ma'am,
बहुत
this
थी
much
बेटा।
only I know.
एक एक
Yes,
सुल्ताना थी,
ma'am.
एक सुल्ताना बेगम थी।
Yes, ma'am, Sultana Begum, ma'am,
सुल्ताना बेगम थी,
ma'am, who
रुखैया रुखैया
ma'am,
शिखावत, रुखैया हुसैन थी एक, ठीक है। फिर बहुत सारी सोशल हमने बताया था जब हमने क्लास में पढ़ाया था, तो हमने आपको बहुत सारी वुमेन रिफॉर्मर्स के बारे में बताया था। दो उनका नाम जो है नई रेफरेंस में है, बट स्टिल दीज ऑल वर्क फॉर द अपलिफ्टमेंट ऑफ women in the society, right? Fine
yes,
class.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
hope today's session was fruitful because many questions we have
Yes,
discussed.
ma'am.
Almost whole of the chapter we have discussed in these 42 questions.
Yes,
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, class?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Then the practice of marrying more than one woman is known as?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Ma'am, polygamy.
Very good. Very good. Tell me, the British did not interfere in the Indian society and culture before which year? Yes, class?
Before 1813.
Before 1813. Very good. Very good. Then next question is, mention a work done by Dayanand Saraswati. Mention a work done by Dayanand Saraswati.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Ma'am, he founded the Arya Samaj.
He founded the Arya Samaj. Very good. Very good. Name let it be. Chalo, I think the time is about to get over. So in the next class, we are going to
Thank you, ma'am.
in the next class, we are going to revise civics chapter. Be prepared, all of you, okay?